Nollywood has an array of fine actors at its disposal, something that has helped the industry thrive and become the success it has become today. But what laid the foundation for such success was the early-stage sacrifices by the likes of Richard Moff Damio, who selflessly provided the timeless classics and quality relatable acting that won great fans for the industry. But as time passed, Richard sought further education and eventually got into politics to help support the native people of his community. And since then, he hasn't had a peace of mind. A few months ago, there were rumored claims that he used his position as the state tourism secretary, minister, to amass wealth and build $1 million plush house, which was woefully untrue. And as if that wasn't enough, another of such baseless rumors has made another headline, that he has, together with the general manager of the state's tourism board, embezzled an amount of about $300,000 from the state's coffers. This obviously is a huge amount and hopefully will be proven untrue. But the knack of things really at play here is the malicious attempt to smear a person with great personality, who has decided to help his community with unfounded accusations. Should this be allowed to continue? Should people with good track records not be allowed to selflessly help their people? Is it wrong to work in a government instructions as against a private institution? If indeed he wanted to embezzle the amount of money which is being claimed, wouldn't he have just decided to stay in Nollywood and continue with acting, a career that fetches much more money for an ever-expanding industry?